So here we have the Level 8 packing cube. So with this, it's quite interesting to see that the Level 8 packing cubes, they do have a variety of different packing cubes to kind of differentiate toiletries, electronics, certain clothes, etc., maybe water gear that you see right here. So these tags that you see here are actually interchangeable because they're stitchable. So in Level 8 actually gives you these cool stitchings for icons to kind of differentiate what's in each packing cube. So you have one for clothes, again, electronics, toiletries, you have one for swimwear. You also have one for perfumes and then shoes. So it's actually a neat way to kind of differentiate what is in each cube if you have the same size cube in your carry-on luggage or bag. But as far as the actual packing cube goes, it's lightweight. I still wish you can kind of see what was in it. I really like when packing cubes have that breathable mesh material. Now with this one, this isn't a compression cube, it's just a packing cube. But it's actually trying to fit most of the clothes into, I'd say this one here. So you actually have a large size packing cube that you see over here. I have no doubt the clothes are going to fit in here, but let's see how I feel when it actually comes to packing this up. So easy enough, the clothes, 4 days worth of clothes does fit in the larger size. And again, it does come about 4 pieces that you see here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4 days of clothes easily fits in here. So now as far as what I wish this kind of had, breathable mesh material, I don't like when my clothes are just packed and confined in an enclosed zippered compartment. I'll probably leave it open just like that. No handle as far as these packing cubes goes, I think. You know, they have handles. Zippering itself, I love how it opens as well. Completely opens up just like that, and then completely closes up just like that. The icon itself, it's just a neat kind of gimmick. I just wish, I would still rather have the open mesh material for me to be able to see what's inside the bag, but it is neat overall. Kind of makes it look as far as like an appealing design goes. With it, again, no handle here. If you have soiled clothes, it would probably just go in a completely separate packing cube that you see over here. But overall, very pleased with it. I love the different pieces that it comes with. The design looks great as well. It feels very, very sturdy.